I think the search may finally be complete. I've found my perfect table. This table's made by KingCamp. If you want to take a closer look, hey, let's dive in. It is collapsible. Folds down 4 times, pretty compact. All 4 legs are adjustable. That is what has me sold. Look at all those little micro adjustments. All right, let's take a look at this thing. It is not light, but it's doable. Comes in a pretty cool carrying case, packs down pretty darn compact. So it is the Bamboo P10070, mostly for the dimensions. Unzip. Now, for the fun part. It opens in the middle. Snaps in. It's got a hinge here. It's got the hinge with the release here. If you're folding it back up, you have to click this. Now from there, it's going to fold out another 2 times. One out there. If you see these little plastic pieces, that helps it key in. Watch as it closes here. So that keys everything in. Now, I can't bend it in half because that clasp isn't undone. But these 2 swing freely until open the leg and push. Much easier to do with 2 hands, by the way. And same. And again. I'm going to guess that this gets easier to do over time, but we shall see. Goes out, out. And both of these lock in place. Pretty darn easy to close too. You just close them up. So to extend these legs, I simply move this up and then it pulls. It's got different markers here and different lengths, all in centimeters. But you can set it up just like this. Might be a little short for you. Ah, look at that, picnic table to standing height desk. I know, kind of a stretch, but it is nice and short. If, say, you didn't have a chair at all, you could use this on the ground. Now, I'll tell you right now, this is not your backpacking table. This sucker weighs way too much for that. But it's nice to have adjustable legs because the ground is not always level. All right, let's see here. Well, that's not going to work. So this sucker is 100 centimeters long, or 39.3 inches. Width-wise, you're looking at 70 centimeters, or 27.5 inches. Packed size is going to be 73 centimeters by 14 centimeters. The maximum load for this table is going to be 80 kilograms, or 176 pounds. Tell you what, not balancing right in the middle. I don't think it's going to hold that. It is made out of bamboo. Frame is aluminum alloy, and the carry bag is 100% polyester. Maximum height is going to be 70 centimeters or 27.5 inches. So the days of finding a chair that fits your table are gone. Now I got a table that'll fit my chair. So what am I thinking? This barely even counts as a chair. There we go. Now that's better. Okay, so I'd like to thank my buddy Rob for turning me on to this table. Thank you for the recommendation, buddy. I bought this table with my own money. I'm not affiliated with KingCamp. They didn't give it to me. I am an Amazon affiliate. I'll put an Amazon link in the description and also throw one up here on the screen. If you'd like to get it using those links, you would be supporting the channel, and I greatly appreciate that. If not, I won't hold it against you. I at least hope I gave you some ideas for a table that you may want in the future. If you have any questions, anything I didn't cover, hit me up. Until next time, enjoy the ride.